The 1000 LB Sisters franchise has never shied away from raw emotion, unexpected twists, and deeply personal moments. But in a shocking turn of events that fans didn't see coming, Amy Slayton finally broke her silence regarding her recent arrest tied to alleged drug possession. While the news had slowly crept across social media in whispers and speculation, it wasn't until Amy's bombshell confession on camera that things took a dramatic shift, igniting a fiery confrontation with none other than her outspoken sister Amanda. Fans were left stunned, cast members speechless, and the Slayton family forever changed by the fallout. Amy's tearful confession didn't come lightly. Sitting down for what began as a seemingly ordinary confessional, the once bubbly and spirited fan favorite looked worn and emotionally drained. With her voice shaking, she revealed the truth that had been haunting her for months. She had been arrested in a drug-related incident during a dark time in her life. According to Amy, the pressures of single motherhood, her highly publicized divorce from Michael Halterman, and the mounting responsibilities of filming the TLC show pushed her into a mental and emotional corner she could no longer handle alone. She admitted to making a terrible mistake, experimenting with substances to numb her emotional pain, and ultimately facing consequences that she could no longer avoid. "I messed up," Amy said, her eyes welling up. "I didn't know how to cope. Everything was crashing down around me and I didn't think. I didn't think about my kids. I didn't think about my family. I just wanted the pain to stop." While fans offered an outpouring of support online, praising Amy's courage to open up about her struggles, the same couldn't be said for everyone within the Slayton family. Amanda Halterman, known for her no-nonsense attitude and fierce loyalty to her sisters, didn't hold back her feelings during the episode. What followed was a raw, brutal, and emotionally charged confrontation that left fans reeling. "You are a mother, Amy," Amanda snapped during a tense family sit-down. "What the hell were you thinking? Your boys need you. We all do. And you go off and do something like that. You could have lost them. You could have ended up in jail. Or worse." Amy, clearly shaken by Amanda's fury, tried to explain that she wasn't looking for pity. "I know I was wrong," she cried. "I'm not asking you to forgive me right away. I just needed to be honest with myself, with you, and with everyone." But Amanda wasn't ready to let it go. "Being honest don't fix this, Amy. You've got to fight for your life now. You've got to show those babies you're worth it. And if you can't do that, then what are we even doing here?" The confrontation escalated as other family members, including Tammy Slayton and Mishti Wentworth, tried to play peacekeepers. Tammy, surprisingly, was one of the few who defended Amy, recalling her own struggles with addiction, depression, and self-destructive behavior. "I know what it feels like to feel trapped in your own body, in your own mind," Tammy said softly. "Amy's not perfect. None of us are. But she's trying, and that counts for something." Quote. Tammy's words caused visible tension to ripple through the room. Amanda, however, wasn't swayed so easily. The two sisters exchanged tense glances before Amanda stood and walked out, leaving the rest of the family in stunned silence. The air was thick with emotion, and the camera captured Amy quietly breaking down in tears as Tammy pulled her into a hug. Online, the Slayton fanbase exploded with divided reactions. Some viewers slammed Amanda for being too harsh on Amy during a time when she clearly needed compassion. Others applauded Amanda for holding her sister accountable and not sugarcoating the danger that drug use posed not only to Amy herself but to her children. Social media platforms lit up with hashtags like #StonbyAmy, #AmandaWasRight, and #SlaytonShowdown. TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter were flooded with clips from the episode, fans debating the confrontation, and emotional reactions from longtime viewers who had followed Amy's journey from the very beginning. Several fan accounts even started petitions urging TLC to provide better mental health support for cast members of reality TV shows. Behind the scenes, production sources hinted that the season of 1000 LB Sisters would be the most emotionally raw yet. A source close to the crew said, "We've captured so many highs and lows from this family, but nothing compares to what we're seeing now. Amy's honesty is raw, it's painful, and it's going to spark a lot of necessary conversations." Quote. Indeed, the situation raises important questions about the psychological toll of reality television. With the Slayton sisters' lives broadcast to millions of viewers, their most intimate struggles become public property. While the fame brings opportunity, it also invites intense scrutiny, judgment, and unimaginable pressure. Amy's confession, while courageous, may also be a symptom of the broader issue that reality stars face. How do you cope with personal pain when the whole world is watching? For Amy, the road ahead won't be easy. In the days following the confession episode, she reportedly entered counseling and signed up for a rehabilitation program, determined to get clean and regain full custody of her sons, Gage and Glenn. While court documents remain sealed, sources claim that Amy is currently on supervised visitation and working closely with social services to meet the conditions necessary for reunification. Amy knows she hit rock bottom, a family friend stated anonymously. But she's fighting. She loves her kids more than anything, and this arrest, as humiliating as it was, might be the wake-up call she needed. Amanda, meanwhile, has remained relatively quiet on social media since the episode aired. While she did post a cryptic message about tough love being the real love, fans are still waiting for a full response. Whether she will reconcile with Amy in future episodes remains to be seen, but given the Slayton sisters' history of falling out and making up, anything is possible. Tammy, now something of a symbol of transformation herself, continues to act as a surprising pillar of strength. "I'm not saying what Amy did was okay," she told fans during a live stream. "But I've been there. I've messed up more times than I can count. If I can come back from it, so can she. I believe in her." As the dust begins to settle, the future of the Slayton family hangs in the balance. Amy's confession marked a turning point, not just in her personal journey, but in the narrative of 1000 LB Sisters itself. The show, once primarily about weight loss and family dynamics, has now evolved into something deeper, a raw exploration of trauma, resilience, and redemption. Fans are now waiting eagerly for the next episode, hoping to see whether Amy can stay on the path of recovery and rebuild trust with Amanda and the rest of her family. The cameras are still rolling, and if there's one thing we've learned from the Slaytons, it's that no matter how low they fall, they always find a way to get back up. Amy's story is far from over. Her honesty, her pain, and her fight to reclaim her life are now permanently etched into the hearts of fans around the world. Whether the family reunites or fractures further, one thing is certain: the Slaytons continue to show us the real, unfiltered struggles of everyday people just trying to survive. The Storm, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.